We are here to show you how we cut out return line faceplates on a brand new vinyl liner installation on an in-ground pool. We are currently using a vacuum which holds the liner in place while being worked on. These returns can vary as to where they are located on the sidewall of the pool. On the pool in our video, the return lines are located far down on the wall. Our tech locates it and uses his hands to feel where the holes are and pre-places the screws. Many of the return faceplates are notched. This is how you know where you're going. Please note that there is a gasket located on the wall under the liner. He then attaches the faceplate and sets the screws using a drill, but you can use a screwdriver if you like. Please keep in mind that each screw is secured on its own, so it's good practice to ensure that they are secure. Now we're going to cut the return line opening out of the liner. We cut with a sharp utility blade, but a knife would also work. A fresh, sharp blade will certainly help and ensure an exact cut. Please understand that everyone has their own way of doing this. It's correct as long as the return line faceplates get cut out correctly and the liner doesn't leak. We have found this process to be what works and what is successful for us. Looking for more info? Be sure to check out our additional videos in our vinyl liner installation series. Keep in mind that there are multiple ways of doing things and that everything we demonstrate is a process that works for us. Thank you for watching.